If you're looking for low effort KDP niches, you're in the right place. Because let's be honest for a second, not everybody has 8 extra hours a day to build a side hustle. Not everybody wants to spend their entire weekend creating books, and not everybody wants to learn complicated software just to get a single book published. I've been there and I've done that. Trying to build something on the side, trying to squeeze progress into whatever free time was left over at the end of the day. And if some of the tools we have today existed when I started over 5 years ago, I probably could have scaled a lot faster. Now, before we go any further, let me be clear. Low effort does not mean no effort. Even with AI, even with tools and automation, you still want to check your work. You still want to improve your books. You still want to make sure everything looks right before you hit publish. But there's a big difference between spending 20 hours creating a book and spending 2 or 3. And that's what we're talking about today. Because some niches naturally require less work than others. Some are easier to research, easier to create, easier to scale. And thanks to modern AI tools and software, some of these niches have become a whole lot easier than they were just a few years ago. So what I did was put together a list of KDP niches that I think hit that sweet spot. Not necessarily the easiest, not necessarily the fastest, but the smartest. The kind of niches that make you stop and think, why am I making this harder than it needs to be? And I think a few of these are gonna surprise you. Now, if this is your first time here, my name is Jeff, and this channel is all about becoming self-sufficient when it comes to making money online. So if this sounds like you, feel free to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I release a new video. With that being said, let's get right to it. Now, the first niche is called the monochrome coloring book. Now, I did focus and go in depth with this niche in one of my more recent videos, but as you're gonna see in that video, total results not too competitive here for such high performing books. Now, typically I do like to look for total results of about 1,000 or less. And this is right in that sweet spot of 916. And you can see right here, average bestsellers rank less than 90,000. So extremely high performing books here. Right here from Titan's Quick View, demand is a 7, the opportunity is a 9, and that niche score is an 83. Now you're gonna notice with these books, they're all gonna have very similar types of covers. It's going to be that monochrome black and white type of cover. And you're going to see a lot of books here independently published, which means they are in fact KDP books. You can see right here, upwards of $1,000 per month in estimated royalties. This one, $800 per month. This one, couple $100 per month, couple $100 per month. You have this bestseller, not a KDP book, but you can still see estimated royalties. That's a book ranking of 307. Here's another one right here, close to $2,000 per month. You have this monochrome botanicals, close to $4,000 per month, all coming from a single book. And if you scroll through the first page, you're gonna see just lots of examples of books selling very well. Here's another one, $1,000, close to $2,000 per month. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at this example called the monochrome botanicals coloring book. Now, when you're pricing your book, typically for coloring books, I price them at $9.99. That's going to give you royalties, depending on your print length, of around $3 to $4. And as we can see right here, 68 pages. So not very long indeed, only 30 coloring pages overall. And if you've been watching my channel, you know that 30 coloring pages can be done in probably about an hour when you have really good prompts that you're using with AI that can really generate high quality pages. Now, looking at the sample here, you can see this is basically what it is. So you have your right hand picture right here. This is the completed image. And then the left hand is right here, which have dots, if you can see that. And those dots basically where the customer will color in. And we can see a little bit more of this in the A+ content section. So as you can see exactly what I'm talking about right here, there are the dots. And then some examples here. Very easy type of book, but actually, if you do this manually, it can take up a lot of time and it's actually really hard to do these. But if you do have good prompts, you can actually make AI create this very coloring page without you actually having to do any of the manual labor. As you can see, this is ChatGPT. It basically created this page for me. You can see the dots right there. You can see the outlines. Basically, once all these dots are colored in, you can get an image kind of like this. And this is what I showed in one of my previous videos of how to do these monochrome coloring books using these clever AI prompts and ChatGPT. If you want to check this out, I'll leave the link to this prompt list down in the description below. It's going to give you all of these prompts right here. It's 306 prompts that can get you started with this type of coloring book. But once you actually look at these prompts, you can see they're very, very clever, not very lengthy, but these are very well put together that really give you that final result that you're looking for. Now, the next niche is called the reverse coloring book. We can see here total results, not too competitive, 1,275. This niche has been around for a long time, but the problem with this niche is that it's actually pretty hard to create if you're going to create it by yourself. Now, once again, with these modern AI tools or prompts, you can actually create these without actually having to do all the manual work. Now, we can see niche scores a 63. Titans Pro analysis, very good here, 7 on the demand. Opportunity is a 9. And we can see here, so these first 3 books are not KDP books, but you can see they're doing very, very well for themselves. This one right here, a couple dollars per month, not too bad. Here's one right here, over $700 per month. Here's another one right here, close to $2,000 per month. This one, almost $800 per month. This one, $600 per month. And here's one right here, also called ink tracing. This one's doing very, very well, $6,000 to $9,000 per month in estimated royalties. Now, if we check out this book, this is titled Simply Reverse Coloring Book, priced at $12.99. And the reason it's priced a little bit higher, if you're wondering, is because this type of book, you're gonna have to print in full color. And I'm gonna show you that in a little bit. Now, this one, 50 pages. So this one's gonna be 108 pages. And this one's not too big, 6 by 9 inches. So not your typical 8.5 by 11 inches. And if we actually look at one of these interiors, you can already see it's full color right there. And then this is the actual interior. So here is one full colored, this is watercolor. So you are gonna have to print in colored, which is the reason why the price is a little bit inflated, is to take into account those increased printing costs. Now, if you want me to go full in depth on this reverse coloring book niche, let me know down below. Now, the next KDP niche is called the Sight Words Activity Book for kids. Now, total results, just under 2,000, so 1,843. This is gonna be a great type of niche to try KDP ads because it's going to instantly boost your book up the rankings and basically give it a better chance at getting seen and getting sold. But you can see the average bestsellers rank here very, very low, 62,807. These are high performing books. You can see a niche score extremely high at 80. And the Titans Pro analysis, you can see demand is a 5. Opportunity is a 9. You have the first book here, bestseller, independently published. You can see the royalties here, close to $50,000 per month. I mean, that's just insane. And that's the power of these books and selling them on Amazon KDP. And you're gonna have other books here, bestsellers in this niche. So that's 2 bestsellers. Now, if we take a look at this example, 200 must-know sight words activity workbook. This is a #1 bestseller, priced at $9.99 and only 112 pages. So not a very lengthy book. Now, these types of books do require a lot more manual work. As you can see right here, there's a lot of design elements going on here. You have your lines here and then your dotted letters, uppercase, lowercase, and there's actually a lot more activities that's not listed here in the sample. But as you can see, here's another activity here. So lots of design work here, and doing this all manually is gonna take forever and a day. And that's why a lot of small KDP publishers don't actually create these types of books, is because it does take so long. But thankfully, there are tools now that can actually create these in a lot less time. This is the one that I use. This is called Moji Royalty, and this can create these sight words activity pages by just clicking a couple of these buttons on the left-hand side. And as you can already see, this is very, very customizable. Now, I did go through this niche in full depth if you want to go ahead and watch that on my channel. But to give you a little bit of a rundown, you can do a lot of things here. You have your mode here. You can do pages. You can do in bulk or you can do in story mode. I have not played with bulk or story. I only create in pages, but with pages, you can do letters here and you can do words. As you can see, just change like that. And you can even change the language around. Now you can also look at all of these other activities, and just by clicking it, you can see that if I click the same activity, things get jumbled around. So not everything is the same. So you can do multiple pages, all different types of activities, and not just one static page. They always change. Now, on top of that, if we stick on word tracing here, I can go down here and I can show the solution, which you can add on to the back of your book. If you want to do solutions, you can add custom words. You can add words per page, just like that. You can do tracing repetitions. You can do a lot of different things here. As you can see, I'm just playing around with it. You have layouts and margins, typography. You can change the font, put page numbers. You can do, there's the page number right there. You can do letter customization. You can even put branding on these pages to brand it to maybe a certain type of series that you have, or if you want to brand the book to yourself. And you can just add a page here. It'll generate a new one. You can change this to something else. You can go to letters, and then with letters, you can do any letter of the alphabet. So as you can see, very easy to create this book with this tool. If you want to check it out, I'll leave the link to it down below. Just keep in mind, it is part of another software called Sansu Royalty. And in order to actually access Moji, you have to purchase the Sansu Royalty and then upgrade one time, which will unlock this very specific tool right here called Moji Royalty. Now, the next niche is called the Cute and Cozy Coloring Book. Now, if you're familiar with the Bold and Easy Coloring Book, well, this just takes it to another level. This is the Cute and Cozy Coloring Book. Basically, the same type of Bold and Easy, just a different type of name. Total results 515, so not too competitive here. You can see the average bestsellers rank 234,000, niche score is a 64, Times Pro analysis, demand is a 6, opportunity is a 7. Now this type of niche is gonna be dominated by bigger publishers. As you can see, ton of bestsellers here, but these are all coming from big publishers in the KDP game. But that's actually okay, because with all of that, they have a lot of attention on these books. So a lot of these customers might actually end up seeing your book, and that gives you a chance at getting your book sold as well. But as you can see, the royalties here is pretty incredible, 18,000, 33,000, and that is per month. Going down here, you can see 31,000, 3,000, 18,000, and another bestseller right here. This one, almost $50,000 per month in estimated royalties. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that book. This one has 30 designs, so 72 pages, not very long, priced at $9.99. Now, these type of books are a square type of book, which is 8.5 by 8.5 inches. When we read the sample, you can see very, very simple type of book. You have very easy types of images here. This is nothing too complicated, but they're just so very popular, so in demand, and so viral that these books can do very, very well if you create one that people really love. Now, if you're interested in creating some cute and cozy coloring books, I do this by using what's called super prompts, and you can see the whole list right here. This is 342 cute and cozy coloring book prompts. And basically what it is you take this and then you go ahead and copy it and paste it into Gemini. You can also try ChatGPT, but what it does is it produces all of the other prompts so that you can create the cover, all of the interior pages. It even gives you the title, subtitle, and also generates you the full description that you can use in your book's details, as well as some SEO keywords if you wanted to try those. But it's exactly the reason why they're called super prompts. I have showcased these prompts in my previous videos. As you can see right here, here's the prompt, and then you can see everything that it produces here. Here are the illustrations for the interiors. And when we look at it, here is the cover that I went ahead and modified because that's the wrong size. And then it gave me this one. And then as you can see, the interiors, pretty much Gemini did this for me. I didn't do any of this. I just pasted the prompts. and you can see very high quality, looks very good, something that you can be proud of putting into your coloring books. If you want to check out these prompts, I'll leave this linked as well down below. Now the next niche is called the nonogram puzzle book. Now if you're not familiar with this, it's for good reason, because it's not a very popular type of niche, but it actually can make you some sales. That's the reason I included it in this video. Total results 784, niche score is okay at 59, demand is a 7, opportunity is a 9. You're gonna see a few here doing quite well. This one $1,500 per month, this one $1,200 per month, couple $100 per month, couple $100 per month. And for me, when I see that, that's good enough to try and create a book for this niche. But you're gonna see even more. This one, close to $1,200 per month, and just a lot more examples of books doing actually pretty well in a space that not everybody knows about. If we take a look at this example nonogram puzzle book, this one has 311 pages. And you would think that this is actually very hard to create, because right here, 450 nonograms. This book is priced at $20, which is in part because the higher printing cost with this type of book. And when we look at the interior here, some instructions on how to actually do these nonograms. But if we actually find one of these interiors, you can see there it is. So these are very small puzzles. This one's called Music Note, the Star. These are beginner level, just very simple grids here, the apple, the spiral, the moon. And then if we can actually find some here that are filled in, here's the solutions pages. This is a snake, obviously. This is Colonel Sanders. Obviously, if you were to create this by yourself, it'd be almost impossible. But that's obviously why there are generators for this type of book. And this is specifically the one that I use. It's very simple to do. You can create a lot of puzzles very quickly. So to run it down here, you can choose your size here, and you can even do a manual size right there. 3 creation modes, blank, random, and image. If I just show you the random real quick, let me create it. It's just random. And you really don't want that. You want to make it a little bit more custom. So what I like to do is you can go to blank right here, and you can actually do your own puzzle. If you know how to draw, you can create something here, and it doesn't take that long to create. As you can see, I just did the letter J. Very easy. It gives you the puzzle grid right here. The solved grid, you can download both. Now the other thing here, you can use an image. So if I load an image, for example, I'm gonna load the Etsy logo in here. So if I go ahead and create that, you can see there it is. Very simple to do. Now I'm gonna load the Kittle image in here. And as you can see, does it very well as well. And then you can also put a logo. If you wanna put a logo in this upper left-hand corner, you can put an image or you can put a text. If I put Jeff Set Life, you can see it goes on right there. You can also put an image. So if I put an image right there, you can see there it is. If you want to check this out, I'll also leave this linked down below. Hopefully this video helped show you that KDP doesn't always have to be complicated. If you're interested in any of the tools that I mentioned throughout this video, I'll leave links to all of them down below in the description. And if you want a complete step-by-step guide to Amazon KDP, make sure to grab my free KDP royalty roadmap. It'll walk you through the entire process from finding niches to creating books and getting them published. You'll find that linked in the description as well. If this video helped you see what's possible, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss my next video. With that being said, thanks for watching. Bye for now.